This question says, in which case is a stronger force required to lift the load? Is it A, B, or if equal, then mark C. So in both cases, for mechanisms A and B, we have the same load, which we can call W. But we have two very different mechanisms. So let's take a look at each of them one by one, starting with A. So in A, we have 4 pulleys, which is connected by one string, but that string is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different parts, which means the effort, or the force exerted to lift the load, will be W, the weight of the load, divided by 4. Now in B, again, we have something quite a bit different. First of all, we should note that this is broken down into 2 separate parts. So more than one person will be exerting effort, or in other words, exerting a force to lift this load. So with that said, let's consider each half of the mechanism independently. So first, we're considering this half of the mechanism. So 2 of the 4 pulleys, which is connected by one string, and that string is divided into 1, 2 parts. Now again, there's 2 people involved in lifting the load. So because it's split into 2 parts, and they're responsible for lifting half the load, therefore the effort exerted here will be W divided by 4. Now, this is the same as what we're going to see on the other part of the mechanism. So here, we're also going to see W divided by 4. Now, because we have these 2 different parts, we need to sum them to find the total effort required to lift the load. So this is simply 2 times 1/2, or 2 times W over 4, which means the total effort will be W divided by 2. Now, we know that W divided by 4, which is for A, is less than W divided by 2, which is for B, and therefore B will require more force to lift the load, and that is the correct answer.